Hello guys, this is Umesh Mari. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn how to use an Excel functions which are known as VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, which are very useful while performing engineering calculations. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you but will give me a lot of motivation to create such a useful videos for you. So guys, first let's understand how to use a VLOOKUP function. So you can see here I have mentioned A and assigned some values to A as 1, 1.2, 1.4 and 1.6. Some other. Now here you can see here is alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Now when my value of A is 1, then corresponding value of alpha should be 5, beta should be 25, gamma should be 35 and delta should be 45. So whenever I will assign value of 1 to A, that value of alpha should be, see here I have assigned the value of A is equal to 1, then value of alpha corresponding to 1 is 5, value of beta corresponding to 1 is 25, value of gamma corresponding to 1 is 35 and value of delta corresponding to 1 is 45. So hope you have understood what is the use of VLOOKUP. One more time I will tell you. Now I am going to assign the value of 1.4 to A. So here my value of A is 1.4. Then when A is 1.4, alpha should be 95. So here you can see alpha is 95, beta is 105, gamma is 115 and delta is 125. So guys, here you can see I have created some data points. So guys, if you don't know how to create those data points, so there is another video I have uploaded on my channel, so kindly see that for how to create a data points. Now let's understand how to use a VLOOKUP function. So now how formula works. See, first what it will use, you have to write a VLOOKUP, then you have to select a VLOOKUP value. So Excel will ask you where is my VLOOKUP value. So I said D8 is a VLOOKUP value. So D and 8. So here I have assigned the lookup value. Then it will ask you select the table array. Where is my table? So here I have selected that table array in which all the values have been mentioned. Then third, it will ask you what is the column index number. So here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in case of alpha, my column index number is 2. So here I have assigned 2 and just select enter. Same thing I will repeat for gamma value for your proper understanding. So first you have to write VLOOKUP, then select lookup value. So D8 is my lookup value. Then you have to select a table array. So table array will be here, it will be my table array where all the values are present. Then column index number. So gamma is in fourth column. See here from how you have to check. This is first, second, third and fourth. So guys, hope you understood how to use a VLOOKUP function. Now let's understood how to use a HLOOKUP concept. So the main difference in VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP is VLOOKUP gives value according to column index number and HLOOKUP gives values according to row index number. So now let's check for beta. So first what you have to write is you have to write HLOOKUP, then you have to select a lookup value. So I'm going to select K8 as a lookup value. So this is K and this is 8. So I have assigned one value of 1 to K8. Then we have to select a table array, same as in VLOOKUP we have selected. So here we have selected the table array. Then we have to show the row index number. So my beta is in third row. See how you have to check it. This is first row, second row, and this is third row. So this is how you can use a HLOOKUP concept. See, now I'm going to change the value of A is equal to 1.6. See, if A is equal to 1.6, alpha should be 130, here it's 130, beta should be 140, here it is 140, gamma should be 150, and delta should be 160. So guys, hope you got the value from this video. So keep supporting. Thank you.